Unlock your Canon EOS R5's full potential with the latest firmware update 152, bringing you enhanced performance and crucial bug fixes. First, ensure your camera battery is fully charged, as a power interruption during the update can cause serious issues. Next, access a reliable SD card that has been formatted in your camera to avoid any potential file corruption. Now, using your computer, navigate to the official Canon support website and locate the EOS R5 firmware section. Download the firmware version 152 file to your computer's designated download folder. Once downloaded, extract the firmware file, which typically reveals a FIR file within the extracted folder. Copy this FIR file directly to the root directory of your formatted SD card, making sure it's not placed within any subfolders. Safely eject the SD card from your computer, then insert it into your Canon EOS R5. Power on your camera and navigate through the menu to find the firmware option, usually located in the Wrench or Setup tab. Select the firmware update option, and your camera will prompt you to confirm the version you wish to install. Confirm the update, and the camera will begin the installation process, displaying a progress bar. Once complete, power off your camera, then power it back on to verify the new firmware version in the menu. Congratulations! Your Canon EOS R5 is now running on the latest firmware update 152, ready for peak performance.